Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2016 Module 12 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Open and save file. Open the Excel file, save it with _2, and ensure the name appears in the documentation sheet. Step 2. Create customer's pivot table. Insert a pivot table, customer's pivot worksheet, add customer to rows, product to columns, total to values, format as currency, and apply pivot style medium 3. Step 3. Update orders table, add the given order record, totals auto-calculate. Step 4. Refresh products pivot table, update data to reflect changes. Step 5. Modify products pivot table, hide field headers, set layout to compact form, turn off grand totals, and show subtotals at the top. Step 6. Adjust discount calculation, change sum of discount to average discount, rename it, and format as a percentage. Step 7. Format discounted price, apply currency format with 2 decimal places. Step 8. Create monthly sales pivot chart, insert a clustered column pivot chart, resize, and title it monthly sales by state. Step 9. Update state pivot chart, adjust filter to display all dates. Step 10. Modify discounted price pivot table, reorder rows to show customer first, then order no. Step 11. Filter Wisconsin sales, add state and date slicers, filter for Wisconsin, March, and August orders. Step 12. Sort product pricing pivot table, sort by quantity, largest to smallest, add average discounted price, and format as currency. Step 13. Use getPivotData, extract Wisconsin's quantity total from the monthly sales pivot table. Step 14. Save and submit, save the workbook and submit per SAM instructions. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.